Welcome everyone, and thank you for attending today's webinar on the client portal and mobile apps. We'll be running a live Q&A at the end of the webinar, so we've enabled our Ask a Question feature. You'll find this at the bottom of the screen, so if you have any questions, just pop them in there, and if you miss anything, don't worry, we'll be sending around the on-demand recording when it's available. I'm Sasha, the National Client Relationship Manager, and joining me is David.
Hi.
Who is one of our other client relationship managers here at Perfect Portal. This webinar is all about the client portal and mobile apps and digital communication, as it's more important than ever. Also, if you have any suggestions on future webinar topics or timings of these webinars, please let us know. So let's get started. According to Microsoft, 80% of consumers expect to have a client online portal to provide their clients with exceptional customer service. Did you know that you already have a client portal and mobile app actually included in your current subscription package? So this can be tailored to all matter types, not just conveyancing. It can be used for other areas of law, such as personal injury and estate planning. Our client portal has been available for over 4 years, and our non-branded client app, also known as Perfect Update, has been around for the last couple of years. Here at Perfect Portal, as you know, we always strive for continuous improvement and to provide our clients with the cutting edge technology that really does give you the competitive edge. As a result, we have launched our branded client app and branded desktop portal, and that was towards the end of last year. Some of you may have already heard about the client branded app. Providing consistent brand experience to consumers is crucial in our ever-changing market, and we always want to basically remain ahead of the curve. Clients nowadays expect the same level of communication and efficiency in the legal industry as they do with anyone else that they deal with. They've come to expect high quality and personalised service across all platforms and communication outlets at all times. What we want to do is we want to help you provide that exceptional level of customer service that your clients want and have come to expect. So during today's session, we will be covering features and benefits of Perfect Update, which is our non-branded app and portal. And as I've mentioned before, that's already included in your standard Perfect Portal subscription. Then we're going to look at the features and benefits of the branded client app. And this is included in what's known as the enhanced Perfect Portal subscription. And again, we can touch on that later for you. Then we're going to look at key stages and how to properly set these up and how to make them personalized for each party involved in the transaction. These will really help you reduce admin tasks and ultimately save you time. We're then going to look at the marketing pack and what's included. So we'll provide you with assets, and we're going to show you how to implement these and how to promote the app and improve your downloads. And we're also going to show you some new and exciting products and features that are coming soon. So firstly, I'm going to talk you through Perfect Update. So as you can see on the screen there, this is our non-branded version of the client app and portal, which, as I've mentioned before, is included in your standard license costs. You all know how much time it takes to communicate effectively enough to keep your clients happy. Perfect Portal allows you to relieve this pressure while actually improving customer satisfaction, all via a smartphone. Perfect Update enables you to provide clear and continual contact with your client without requiring them to ring the office every day. Ongoing and up-to-date customer contact is key to maintaining trust and satisfaction. Did you know that on average, I didn't know this, an adult spends nearly 2 hours using online using their smartphone. So it's clear that customers are happy to have the information they want at the fingertips, and they're not having to wait for an email or a return phone call. You are able to update your clients on their matter at the click of a button. You have full control of all the updates that are going out, and they can be completely customized, which David and myself and the rest of the team will be able to show you how to do. You can have as many or as few as you like. I've got one firm that has 5, and I've got another firm that has 50. So it really is up to you how you want to style your communication. It also enables the client to see where the matter is up to, and they know that you're dealing with it. So in turn, this promotes a reduction of inbound calls and emails from your clients chasing their case status, consequently saving you time and significantly reducing your admin tasks. In addition to key stages, you can also utilize the notes feature within Perfect Perfect Update. As you can see on the right there, this can be used in two ways. It can be used just as one-way communication to your clients, or it can actually be used to send messages backwards and forth. So clients can download Perfect Update on all app stores, and their feature is fully secure. It works in conjunction with their actual device login. So whatever security option they have in place, such as face recognition, fingerprint login, or security PIN. I'm now going to talk you through the branded client app and online portal. After having our consumer portal for a few years, we decided to develop and provide our clients with their own customizable branded client app. As you can see, this one here is for a fictitious firm called Daniel Carson. As you know, we live in an on-demand economy where a few taps and swipes of our mobile device, we can have what we want when we want it. As more devices and apps deliver instant gratification, the more it sets a new standard for customer expectations. Now businesses in every industry will have to cater to the right now consumers in mobile first micro moments, or risk missing these critical engagement opportunities. Consumers are willing to pay a premium price of up to 13%, and in some cases as high as 18% for that great customer experience. So this is why Perfect Portal created the branded app for your clients, so you too can provide the best possible experience for your clients. This app is fully customizable to the look and feel of your brand, providing your clients, as I've mentioned before, with a great brand experience and really giving you that competitive edge, especially in this market. You can add your firm's logo, brand colours, as you can see here, and dashboard images. You can choose a name and create a description in the iOS and Android app stores to make the app work for your firm. Within your branded client app, you have control of how this looks to your clients. So your animations can be customized. You can have your solicitor bio, so you can see Marge Simpson there, which allows your clients to put a name to the face, making it a lot more personable and encouraging a bit more of a long-term relationship with your clients. The app can be used to update clients on any matter type, and your client will only need to download the app once. You can add more of their matters as you grow their relationship with them. So you may do their conveyancing initially, then may look to do their estate planning or act for them in any other matters, but it will all stay nice and compact within the one app. You also then have access to our chat feature. This is allowing conversation between you and your clients. You can see push notifications every step of the way, so your client is informed throughout the transaction, ultimately saving you time. You can also collect reviews, which helps you see what is working well and if any improvements needed. Many consumers also won't delete or uninstall an app once their matter is complete, so you maintain your presence on their phone, and you can even send a message after the matter completes to check in, increasing the likelihood they will use you for other legal matters going forward. You can actually communicate, as I mentioned before, on all matter types. So as you can see here, these are currently all the matter types available to you within Perfect Portal. Key stages, as what I'm going to do now is pass you over to David, and he's going to go through a live demonstration and showing you best practice of utilising key stages. Key stages are such a vital part of the system as it really sets you apart from your competitors if it's used to its full potential. So David, I'm going to pass over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Sasha. Thanks for that. So yes, as Sasha mentioned, I'm going to go through how to set up your key stages and also how it looks from the client's perspective and how to actually send them as well. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set them up. So I'm sure you're all aware of how to get there, but just in case we've got any newbies on here, I'm just going to go into my settings, which is located on the left-hand side. I'm going to go toolbar, your settings. And then I'm just going to head into Setup and Manage on the top right. Now from here, I'm going to go into my tab that's called Key Stages, and this will bring up all my key stages. Now, as you can see up the top, you've got all your different matter types. So you've got your conveyancing up here with your sale, and then you've got your other areas of law as well. Now, these key stages are matter specific. So that means if you amend them, say on a house and land purchase, you would then need to duplicate them over to say a established unit purchase. Now, first off the bat, what you can see is all your key stages. Now, these key stages are really easy to amend and personalize. So yeah, if you do want to add any new key stage templates. You hit this add another key stage template up here, and then it will appear on the top. Now, if you did want to rearrange and organize how the key stages are laid out, or the way you have them laid out here, nice and simple. It's a drop and drag. So say if I wanted to bring this one up a bit further, yeah, drop and drag, and there it is. Now, as you can see, these are all your master key stage templates. So I'm going to go into one that I have set up at the moment. So I'm going to go into my introduction. So I'm going to hit view on the right-hand side. Now, I'm sure that you all are aware, but these key stages are more personalized and personable than ever. So basically, you have your master key stage template name on the right-hand side. So as you can see, I've got introduction is here, and then I'm going to select who I want to send, I guess, that introductory email to, or text message or push notification to. So I've got here my client, mortgage broker, real estate agent, and contact. Now from there, that will drop down on the left-hand side, and you can change that communication that goes out. So for the client, I might just want to pop in something about how we have a branded app, and how the last email is your login details. If you need any help, shoot us an email, give us a call. Now, if you do have the enhanced package, you have this option of going as a push notification. It will just be an extra tick box down here with push notification. Of course, if you just want to stick with perfect update, you can just mention something about perfect update in this key stage update as well. Now, from there, I have a slightly reworded email that goes to, or key stage rather, goes to the referrer. Now, this could be your very first impression with the referrer, and they say, first impressions are everything. So it's good to have, have the client's, the referrer's first name in there, showing that human connection and building that, trust and relationship right off the bat. So here I just wrote, looking forward to working with you in this matter. Yeah, so it's great to have, having that personal size of the key stages. Now, as you can see, with this particular key stage, I have that SMS enabled. So you know how real estate agents are, they're always on the go, they're always on their phone, getting a nice quick update directly to their phone, saying, oh, we're looking forward to working with you, this is done, this is done, this is done. It's great, yeah, it's showing that great working relationship, and you're building that rapport with them. So yeah, so these are the key stages here. Now, if I go back to my key stages here, I'm going to go into my communication emails. Now, I'm not too sure if you guys are aware, but we have released a new update, which is a part of the enhanced package that Sasha mentioned before. You can actually allocate different email designs to different email templates. So, for example, I'm going to go into my communication email that goes to the client. Now, in this communication email, this is where the key stage is. So as you can see, I got my updated text, and that's where that key stage update will feed into. Now, like I said before, if you do have the enhanced package, you can choose what template you want. You can have a different template for, say, vacant land. If you want to add, a nice little farm or something like that, you have the option of doing that as well. And we do have a marketing team that does that all for you, but Sasha will go in a bit more detail in that later on. Now, I'm going to head back into just the refers one. So I'm going to go into my refers communication email. As you can see on the left-hand side, I have a different email template as well, so a nice different one for the referrer. Now, I guess this is a great way to customize with the referrer. So you can customize, the different text sizes, colors, and all that. So when the referrer gets the email, they want to see straight away what's happening. They don't really care about the rest. They just want to know what's happening with that matter. So I'm going to go ahead with this update text, pop it in the middle, might change the size to maybe 18, and I might make that bright orange so the referrer sees it straight away. So as you can see, you work on it from the right and it updates on the left. They see it straight away, it pops in their face, and then straight after that, they can log into Referring Smart. Now, I guess a great way as well, if you are, this could be one of your first referrers that you're talking to, trying to build a relationship with I mentioned before, a good way to get them to know about you is adding your biography to this key stage. Now, we do have training videos in the support center regarding how to set up biography, but of course the team is here to help you set that up for you. But I'm going to go ahead and just add the biography, my biography in there. So I'm going to go to my solicitor and add solicitor's biography. Now, as you can see, on the left-hand side. Popped a nice little picture of me, and then as well as a little breakdown about my history and how I got where I am today. So you're building that relationship with the referrer, and this is winning the hearts and mind of your referrers straight off the bat. They're getting to know you and not just a conveyancer or a lawyer. So would highly recommend feeding your biography to the referrer any way you can so they get to know you. Now, once all these key stages are done and completed, you've amended the key stages, you've changed the templates around, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually send these key stages and how easy it is. Now, I'm going to go to a matter that I've already started. Now, hopefully, you guys know how to generate and manage a quote and a matter, but like I said, if you do need some help on that, contact your account manager, or we do have videos in the support center. So I'm going to go into Homer Simpson. Here are my key stages. Nice and easy. I'm just going to hit that send update button, the little mail icon, and that will send off my personalized emails and my key stages and my text messages and push notifications all to the related parties. So nice and easy. It's good to know with this key stage names here, you have introduction, that's just for you, and then you can see below the personalized messages. So yeah, with this as well, if we are integrated with your practice management system, this can be done within your management system. If you do want to know more about integrations and all of that, just contact your account manager and they'll be happy to go through it with you. Now, I guess with these uncertain times, having that digital communication, those streamlines, means you can communicate and work on the matter wherever you are situated, wherever you are. So, you know, we're going digital and the key stages are great communication to all related parties, so you can actually focus on the matter and not communicating to 1,000 people over and over again. Now that we've done the key stages, I'm going to go into the customer portal, so the branded app and branded online portal. So I'm just going to refresh this screen for you. Now, as you can see, the truck moves closer and closer to the house. There's fireworks, a big party going on. It's great. It's really visually pleasing to the client, and they can see straight away what's happening. I know if I got an app and I saw fireworks, it will make me giggle inside and smile inside. So it's exactly when you press those little buttons in the key stages, you got your list of your key stages here, and that will just go off as a tick with your brand colors if you do have the enhanced package. So straight away as the client logs in, they can see the latest update. So congratulations, go collect your keys, great. And then they have to the matter progress, see what's left to be done within that matter. So nice and easy for them to see. Now I'm going to go into my details real quick. And as you can see, I've got Marge Simpson, who's been looking after me. So once again, adding that biography is really important within Perfect Portal. The client's getting to know you on a personal level. They're just not seeing you as this scary lawyer or conveyancer. They're getting to know you as a friend, and you know, having this great experience with you and getting to know you will generate great word of mouth. So yes, we got this list of details here. We've got the biography, all your matter details all in now. They can always refer to their costs, legal fees and the cost breakdown. They can download the quote if they need to, and then you're always covered with your disclaimer in there as well. I'm going to head back into my notes. Now, any notes that you've done from Perfect Portal will feed into here, as well as the key stages that Sasha mentioned before as well. Now, I'm going to go into my more, and I'm going to go into my profile. Now, I have lots of my clients who say you can never over communicate, but if the client did want to tailor make how they want to be communicated, it's nice and easy. They can come to their profile and say, if they didn't want email notifications, they can just toggle that off and they'll just get the push notifications or SMS. So it's very customizable from the client's perspective, and they can choose how they want to be communicated like. I'm not too sure if you saw beforehand, but when I was just in the mall, there's refer a friend as well. So the client does have an option to refer a friend to you or refer work to you rather. Nice and simple for the client, pop in their details there, send lead, and they'll go directly into your portal. So yeah, so as I said, word of mouth is a great form of marketing, and having your own app, having your own, you know, branding consistent throughout the whole client journey really makes you stand out in this, you know, market that we have at the moment. So yeah, that's pretty much all the key stages and how to set them up and how to send them in a client's perspective. So I am going to go ahead and hand back over to Sasha, and she will, yeah, continue.
Okay, thank you so much, David. Okay, so David's just run through the key stages with you. What I want to just talk to you about is having an app doesn't just stop there. It's also really important to consider the way you communicate this to your clients. Not only is it important to have your website calculator on your website, which I assume most of you do, that enables clients to be able to self-serve and get their own quote if they like and instruct you. But as you can see in this illustration here, having the client login portal somewhere on your website ensures that clients are aware of everything that you have to offer. Our branded client app and online portal allows you to really take ownership of this feature and give your firm the competitive edge. Here's an example of a few firms that have really taken this advice to the next level, ensuring that they stay competitive in today's market. They're also using all the assets that are available to them to help them win more business. So not only if you were to proceed with the enhanced package, you would get your client branded app, you will also receive a marketing pack, and within that there'll be various assets that will be available to help you promote your app to the client. So first of all, we will create you email headers and footers that are bespoke to your brand. So as you can see, there's a let's get things moving there. And these really help to deliver a professional and consistent experience to your clients. Email and headers and footers can be used on all your communication emails that are sent from Perfect Portal. We also recommend adding a footer to your email signature within Outlooks with links to your website and more information on the app. It just means that when emails are sent out with your client app, it just kind of helps raise awareness and like push this again within your social media profiles as well. Now, just adding it isn't just enough. Make sure that you link the images to your website, so where your clients can go and read a little bit more about your new app and access links to download the apps in either Google Play Store or the App Store. Even if you're only using Perfect Update and you're just going to have the one that's included in your subscription, utilize this within your email signatures, within your Outlook, so you can really promote it. And also make sure you promote across social media. It's a great way to show your consumers how you're providing that competitive edge. We will also provide you within the marketing pack. You will get an A5 PDF advert, as can be seen here, with your own branding and colours. You can add this in a few places, such as your initial quote email to the client. You could attach it to the key stage update. You can actually send it out to your referrer network, so your real estate agents, your mortgage brokers, just showing them how your firm differentiates itself to other firms. You can also add it to your website so customers can understand how you provide them transparency every step of the way. It's not just to be added at the initial quote stage. You can use it in a whole variety of places. You can also promote and advertise the app when it goes live. So we'll help you with this with social media banners. And these will include links to your firm's website for more information and downloadable links. It's vital that you promote your app on a regular basis, not just to new potential clients, but also to existing clients, to encourage them to download. Because I don't know if you're aware, it probably takes a consumer, they say on average, it takes a consumer 3 to 5 times before they take action. So ensure that you have regular touch points with your clients. You can use new graphics to keep this fresh, and we can also offer any support with marketing if needed. We also provide you with a short animated video, which you can add to your YouTube, your website, or your social media accounts. It's great because you can link it to your email signatures as well. This allows you to engage with clients, showing exactly what you can offer them. You'll be sent the video as a raw file. However, this can be customized by adding messages, or you can add your brand logo, your firm logo. Digital engagement is more important than ever, as most people will be working from home and consequently using all digital outlets. So make the most of this opportunity. The most important step is to promote your app on your website. Maybe create a landing page with a video so clients can understand the client experience your firm will be offering them. Once they instruct you, make it easy for your clients to find the download links to your app in both of your app stores. Use the images and video created for you on this page. You'll also receive a demo login. This is great because you can give it to your staff so they can download it on the phone and get them excited too, because they'll be talking to your clients, asking whether they've downloaded it as well. Also, Mention the app to clients when you're quoting as well, because again, another point of difference. Add a blurb on if you've got a hold message on your phone and you have the option to record a message. Mention that you have a client app there, again encouraging clients to download. And also make your referring partners and anybody else that you and any other stakeholders, make them aware of your service offering as well and get them excited too. When it comes to a customer experience, 70% of people want instant information. By using Perfect Portal, this allows your client to receive the quote within a matter of seconds. So you can get a branded quote like it's illustrated on the screen there, out within a matter of seconds with your firm's branding on. Also, your real estate agents or mortgage brokers can generate a branded quote on your behalf very quickly. Also, if the a potential client sitting at home, they too can go into your website calculator and generate a branded quote as displayed on the screen. So all the quotations are all consistent with your brand, no matter how the client actually obtained that initial quote from your firm. The wording is also very important in the initial email. First impressions, as David mentioned, really count. Make sure it's short, that the language is consumer focused, and only include information that is important in winning that work. You don't want to overload the client with unnecessary information. If you have any additional information, always add it as an attachment, which myself or one of my team can show you how to do, so the client doesn't feel overwhelmed. After a client instructs the firm, they will then receive a branded email to activate their account, as can be seen here, and then they can download your firm's branded client app to view their matter details, track their matter progress, chat with the solicitor, and securely share documents, and even rate the firm directly from within the app. We as consumers, as I've mentioned before, don't uninstall apps from our phone, so this just gives you the opportunity to cross-sell your other services after they complete the initial matter, providing you with a seamless digital process throughout. While there is more features available within our branded client app, if you currently are not using our unbranded version, Perfect Update, this is the first great step to improving your digital communication, ensuring you stay competitive and ahead of the curve. Now that a lot of people are working remotely, make sure you take advantage of this. As I've mentioned a couple of times before, the non-branded app Perfect Update is included in your subscription, so we'll be more than happy to help you get this up and running. Use this to plan things out to ensure when everything else picks up, you can hit the ground running. At Perfect Portal, we want to provide the best customer experience from the initial inquiry and during the transaction. Contact your account manager now if you're interested in getting the branded or non-branded app live, and we'll help you with the implementation of all your marketing assets as well. Now, just want to touch off on just some really new and exciting products and features that are coming soon. So along with the client branded app and portal, we've now taken this a little step further and have developed a branded system for you, your staff, and your referring partners. This will include your own branded dashboard featuring your brand, logo, and your colours, which is really exciting. We've also developed an app for all parties that were involved in the matter to ensure everyone is able to stay updated on progress and communicate with you. Our developers are constantly working hard to ensure your feedback is met, so there's much more in the pipeline, so stay tuned. So, okay, that's all that I'm going to cover for today, and I just wanted to thank you very much for your time. Just before I move on to the questions and answers, I'd just like to touch on the current situation with COVID-19. We remain committed to continuing to provide the highest level of support to all our clients during this time. And we have firms who are relying more than ever on Perfect Portal to help them through these times, as technology has become a necessity rather than a luxury. As everyone is getting used to working from home and embracing technology, we just want to make sure you take advantage of Perfect Portal to help you get through these unprecedented times. So I just wanted to hand over. Does anybody have any questions? Okay. Oh yeah, there just is one question. Just there with regards to integration. Yes, we are integrated with some practice management systems, but we have a lot of clients that are using the Key Stages standalone. So please get in contact with David or one of myself or the rest of the team, and we can run through that with you.